element is different or changed. It is not equal. Okay. Next, I come to multiplying a matrix with a scalar. Scalar, I mean a number. So multiplying a matrix with a number, each and every element of the matrix will be multiplied with that number. I repeat, if a matrix is to be multiplied with a scalar, each and every element of the matrix will be multiplied by that number. So supposing it is a matrix A, is this, I have to find 2A. So multiplying the matrix with 2. So I said each and every element will be multiplied. So that is what I mean, multiplying a matrix with a scalar. Each and every element will be multiplied with that number. So another one, a matrix X. So we get 3x. So multiplying with 3. So multiplying with a scalar, right? So each and every element will be multiplied by the scalar. I come to addition. Addition and subtraction of matrices. So I said only like matrices can be added together or subtracted. So let A is equal to this. So both are like matrices, adding A and B. Well, in symbol we write it as Aij plus Bij. So this is again a symbol which we use. What I mean here is the corresponding element to be added. Aij, suppose I is 1, j is 2. So A1, 2 means the element in the first row, second column will be added to B1, 2, added in the first row, second column. Well, that's again English, you are doing maths. Okay, so don't go for Aij and Bij. What you have to do is, you have to add the corresponding element. That means this will be added to this. This will be added to this. And this will be added to this, and so on. So when adding together, so here the first element added to the first element is that. Second row we do the same thing. Well, the same thing goes with the subtraction. Aij minus Bij. Corresponding elements to be subtracted. So A minus B. Now look at this. Minus 3 minus minus 1. 1 minus 0. 3 minus 3. 2 minus 4. 0 minus 1. 5 minus 3. So it comes to minus 2, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2. So addition and subtraction. It has to be like matrices, and the corresponding elements are added or corresponding elements are subtracted. So what I did is adding two matrices, subtracting one from the other, and multiplying a matrix with a scalar, with a number. It all will be combined together when you get the exam, into the exam, right? I just start with this. A is given, B is given. Supposing you have to find two A minus 3B. So I have added, I have subtracted, I have multiplied with a scalar. So 2A. A is this. B. So B is minus 1, 0, 3, 4, 1, 3. Well, you have done BODMAS in your junior classes, and the BODMAS is always BODMAS, right? Incorrigible, BODMAS remains BODMAS. Okay? They cannot be straightened. So here also we do the same thing. We first do the multiplication. So first the multiplication. So multiplying with 2. So each and every element is multiplied. Here again each and every element is multiplied. Now please pay attention. Multiplying a matrix with a scalar, this is minus. So don't multiply it with minus 3. You only multiply it with the number. Because if you multiply it with minus 3, nothing wrong. But then you have to change the sign here to plus, and all will be multiplied with minus. So don't go on to all this. Straightway multiply with the number. So multiplying with the number you get this. Now adding, sorry, it's subtracting. So minus 6 minus minus 3, 2 minus 0, 6 minus 9. This will be 4 minus 12, 0 minus 1, 10 minus 9. So this is minus 3, minus 8, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 1. So far I did this, the algebra of matrices. It's adding two matrices, subtracting one from the other. They have to be like multiplying a matrix with a scalar, means you multiply it with that number, each and every element. So this is it. Now I come to the most important, a little confusing, but don't get confused. Now pay attention to this. What I have done? I have added two matrices, I have subtracted one from the other, and I have multiplied a matrix with a scalar. What about multiplying a matrix with another matrix? Okay, so I come to that. Multiplication of matrices.